everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 16 Beta 4. Yes, oh my god, iOS 16 Beta 4 is right around the corner and I am going to talk about what is all incoming in this update, and let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. If you are new to this channel, consider hitting that subscribe button because we are really close to 10,000 subscribers. It's a big milestone and I want you guys to participate and celebrate this 10,000 milestone with me. That subscribe button without wasting any more time, and now that we have hit that subscribe button, let's get right into today's video, shall we? Alright, so there is not exactly a lot of new things that you should expect coming in the iOS 16 Beta 4, but there are a lot of things that can be improved, which we are going to talk about, and we are also going to talk about the issues that you guys are facing on the Beta 3 of iOS 16. Let's get started and talk about the issues of Beta 3 first. So the Beta 3 issues, there are a lot of you guys who DM'd me on Twitter at the rate TechHyped. If you want to talk to me, just DM me on Twitter. I am really active there. I will respond to everyone. If you have any query related to any iOS thingy or anything, just hit me up on Twitter at the rate TechHyped and I will answer your question. So a lot of you guys said that you guys are facing really bad battery life on your devices. It is not just with iPhone 12, it is not just with iPhone 11, it is not just with iPhone 8, it is with every device. The battery sucks on iOS 16 Beta 3, and in general, betas suck at battery life, and iOS 16 is not an exception. Expect Apple to do some work in the battery side of world from the Beta 4 to the Beta 8 on basically the final release, because if history is an indication, we have seen that Apple adds major big features and all in the first 3 or 4 betas, and then they start working to improve and just fix the bugs and do the battery and performance thingy. If that is the case, we will see some major new feature, but I doubt there will be some major new features. But yes, there is always a possibility, you know. New things that we can expect coming in the Beta 4 of iOS 16. Number 1 is the bug fixes. There are a lot of bugs in iOS 16 and I am really frustrated with one of the bugs, which just is particular with WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is my one of the major using messaging app, and for a lot of you guys too, it is the main messaging app. So it is really bad that you have to just restart your iPhone in order to use your WhatsApp, and that is just so damn frustrating. Restarting your iPhone, there is no other option to close the app and turn it on. It doesn't work. You just have to restart your device, and if it is an iPhone 8, you know, it just takes forever to turn on. Of course, it is iPhone 8 is still pretty capable phone, but old iPhones are just kind of slow, and on beta it is bit too slow, and a lot of you guys do own an iPhone 8 on iOS 16. In general, if you ask me, it is not worth it at all to install a beta on your device, but iOS 16 is pretty fun update. There is a lot of new lock screen thingies which I really love. Like, it is just so damn good. And the lock screen, when you listen to music, the album art just comes up on the screen. It is just so good, and a lot of you guys love it and I love it too. No cap, this is the peak of iOS lock screen. Of course, there is a room for improvement in every OS, in every element of iOS. If it is iOS or if it is any OS, there is room for improvement everywhere, so we cannot expect everything to be perfect, and that too when we are on beta. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I am Jay aka TechHyped signing out. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.